thicker, healthier hair, I'm going to show you how you can get it. The cause of hair issues is a lack of blood flow, nerve flow and lymph flow. You see, when you consume acidic foods like animal products and cooked starches, the blood becomes acidic and the blood dumps this acid onto the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is what removes acids from your 100 trillion cells on a daily basis. And when that's down, these acids have nowhere to go. They're going to burn organ tissue and glands. So the way to get fix this is to go on a 100% fruit diet. That's number one, so you can get the lymph system moving properly. And number two, you want to use herbs to help blood circulation to the scalp, because a lack of blood flow to the scalp means that there's no nutrients getting there, and then the body cannot clean itself effectively, it cannot feed itself effectively, and the hair is going to fall out. You can use plants like hibiscus. This is a plant from India that can help hair grow. You can use plants like Eclipta alba. In India, it's called the king of hairs for the very simple reason that it can boost blood flow and help the hair grow. You can use a plant called Ishasari radix, which is known as a vasodilator, which means it widens the hair vessels to the scalp and allows ample blood flow to the scalp, which means healthier hair growth. So you combine the herbs with a good diet, and you can be doing all you can to grow your hair. It's very powerful, very simple. You just have to give it a little time, and you're not destined to have bad hair. You can have beautiful, thicker, and longer hair, no matter the age.